Sleep apnea is more than just snoring. I'm Dr. Alicia Hardy, and many patients are surprised to learn that untreated sleep apnea may impact overall health in serious ways. When breathing repeatedly stops during sleep, oxygen levels can drop and sleep quality suffers. Patients often report fatigue, poor focus, headaches, and daytime sleepiness. Dentists are in a unique position because we can often identify warning signs during exams. For qualified patients, oral appliance therapy may provide an alternative to CPAP therapy. These appliances are designed to help maintain an open airway while sleeping. If you've been feeling tired for years and your partner notices loud snoring, it may be worth getting evaluated. Contact our office to learn more about sleep apnea screening.